Here's Best Short app. So this is another app in this category of short, vertical videos apps. BestShort provides you with an exclusive personal drama series platform. You can enjoy a large number of short dramas here. Each episode is just 1 minute long, which makes it easier for you to watch and enjoy anytime, anywhere. So BestShort will also provide you smooth drama viewing services and a lot of kinds of short dramas, such as Alpha Wolf, Vengeance, Romance, Suspense, CEO, Time Travel, and so on. All kinds of short dramas will update weekly to keep your watching experience fresh all the time. Come and join us and have fun watching the newest and hottest short dramas together. High quality streaming and smooth watch experience, original and exclusive programs, unique stories, unique excitement. So yeah, here you can just double click and install it. And then just open it up. And then you see all the episodes in here. Then you can just see For You section, which is kind of like a vertical TikTok. Then there are rewards. You can do like daily check-in for coins. First login. I don't know whether there are like some referral codes. You can get 30 coins for creating an account, and that's basically it. There are so many apps like that. You just decide, because some of these new apps they offer in some new discount codes. You can see some new series in that. So that's basically the idea.